Okay, picking up again, I dropped my brush into the PVA, so we had to stop the video while I retrieved it and cleaned it off. So I've mixed up our PVA and water solution. It is a little thicker than milk. You don't want it as runny as milk. I would say a good comparison would be maybe pancake batter mix. Don't make pancakes with PVA, but it's not gloopy. It's still quite thin, much thinner than the consistency of paint maybe, but not so thin that it's too watery. As I said, if you can always apply 2 coats of it if you think you need it. Pancake batter mix is a good comparison. So once you've got your mix, I've got a roller and a small scuttle that I've mixed it up in, and a brush I keep to hand. I didn't mention these in our tools, but this is something you will need for the PVA. A scuttle or a roller tray and a roller. You can buy a roller and a roller tray, a cheap set, because you don't need anything expensive for this. It's not applying paint, it's just applying this PVA solution. Now that's on this roller, a microfiber roller, and it's not pouring off. If that was just pouring off back into the scuttle, it's far too thin.